Very tragic story on the Suncoast tonight. The Florida Department of Health in Manatee County has confirmed a pediatric death from the flu. SNN's Suzanne Lee has details. Very sad.
It is. It's very sad, Amber. The Florida Department of Health in Manatee and Sarasota counties tell me that flu deaths in adults are not by their nature a reportable death. But when it's a child that dies as the result of the flu or complications from the flu, it becomes reportable. And today we have that sad confirmation.
It's the worst possible news for any parent.
The Florida Department of Health in Manatee County has received notification of an influenza-associated pediatric death here in Manatee County, and our hearts go out to the friends and family of this child.
Our news partners at the Herald Tribune confirm the 11-year-old boy lived in Bradenton and died on December 17th from complications brought on by the flu. This marks the third pediatric death this flu season, according to the health department records. The other two were in Orange and Pasco counties. They also confirm a total of 7 deaths this calendar year from the flu. Dr. Eric Fulkins had a full waiting room on Tuesday afternoon.
We're getting a lot of patients in this time of year. Just in the last couple of weeks, they really started coming in.
He says a quick flu test is typically all you need.
We have nasal swabs that we use, and then it's about a 10-minute test, and it will tell us what type of flu they have, either A or B.
But admits the test can also miss a diagnosis.
Can't always trust the test. You kind of have to trust the patient.
While the flu shot is recommended, it too is not 100% foolproof.
The CDC even came out a couple of weeks ago and said that the shot that they've come up with this year is not working that well for the flu strains that are going around right now.
Carrie Harder with the Florida Department of Health reminds you to stay away from family gatherings this Christmas if you're ill, and says there's still time to get the flu shot.
We are encouraging it. You can get the flu shot here at the health department. Many primary care doctors offer it. Pharmacies offer it. There's many places in the community, and it's absolutely not too late to get your flu shot this flu season.
And of course, wash your hands.
It's difficult to make the decision to stay away from family and friends and gatherings this holiday season, but this is the worst possible time to join a large group if you're not well. And of course, our thoughts and prayers go out to the family in Manatee County of the boy who passed away.
This is so sad, especially this time of the year. It's really supposed to be the happiest time spent with family, and this family's not going to have their boy opening up any gifts here in a couple of days. It's just so tragic to see that's what they're going through.
I can't imagine the pain. I really am sorry for that family.
Yeah, and being a mother yourself, I mean, you know what this is, you can't even imagine what this is like.
It is unspeakable, and especially now, any time of the year, of course, but especially now. And, you think about all the other children in Manatee County who he may have been hanging out with and they may have been friends with, but right now these are other complications that develop from the flu for him.
And did the doctor give any other details about the use of Tamiflu?
He did say that if you can take Tamiflu within 48 hours of your symptoms first appearing, then you might have some luck. But when I asked the doctor about the actual effectiveness of the drug, he says it's hard to tell because usually people don't call back to report if it worked for them or didn't work for them.
All right. Thanks, Suzanne. Very sad story.